forwards. Keep it up, keep it up. Stop, hold on. And all forwards. Stop. Is it recording?
Yeah.
Cool.
Right number.
Okay, and forwards. Good paddling. Keep it up, keep it up. And stop. If I say dig it in, give it all you got. And all forwards. And stop. Back on the left, forward on the right. Back on the left, forward on the right. And don't mind if my voice speaks. And relax. Yeah, exactly. Back on the right, forward on the left. Back on the right, forward on the left. And all forwards, all forwards. And get down, get down, get down. And back on the job. So get down, stop paddling, all other commands are void, get right down into the floor of the raft. Woohoo! This first rapid's called Wave Train down through here. And all forwards, all forwards. And hold on. And all forwards, all forwards. Keep it up, nice and steady. And relax, good job. And forward paddle. And stop, and hold on. And all forwards, all forwards. And stop, and hold on. And all forwards, all forwards. And hold on. And all forwards. And hold on. And all forwards. Forward, forward. And stop. And hold on. Get down. And back on the job. Back on the left, forward on the right. Back on the left, forward on the right. And relax. Nice. And all forwards. And relax. And hold on. And all forwards. And stop. And hold on. And forward paddle. And stop. And all forward. And hold on. Yahoo! And all forwards, all forwards. And stop. And all forwards, all forwards. And stop. And forward paddle. And stop, hold on. And all forwards. And hold on. And all forwards. All forwards, all forwards. And stop and hold on. And forward paddle, forward paddle. Keep it up, keep it up. Dig 'em in, dig 'em in. Dig 'em in. And stop and hold on. forwards, all forwards. Good job, keep it up, keep it up. Nice work. Stop and hold on. And all forwards. Stop and hold on. And all forward. Stop and hold on. And forward paddle. And hold on. Woo-hoo-hoo! And all forwards. And stop and hold on. Hold on. And all forwards. Forwards. Hold on. Woo! Sorry, Jared. And back paddle, back paddle, back paddle. Back up the bus. And relax. Paddles up. High five. Woo! And all forwards. And relax. So relax, still hold on to that center line, guys. Keep holding on to the center line. Center line. Hold on. There we go. And forward paddle. And stop. And all forwards. And hold on. And all forwards. Okay. And stop. And all forwards. And hold on. And all forwards. And stop. And hold on. And forward paddle. And stop. And all forwards and hold on. And all forwards. And get down. Whatever. And stay down. Paddles up, celebration! Woo! And all forwards. And relax. Are your posts further down?
Yeah, a little bit further down.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Catches. And these are loose, eh? I've like pulled them out 4 times going through there.
That's the way I like them. I should have warned you about that.
Oh, okay.
I wouldn't mind if you just did that.
Oh, okay. I was just like... Cheers. And bump, hold on. All right, forward paddle. And stop. And all forwards, all forwards. And hold on. Woo-hoo-hoo! Having fun yet? And all forwards. And relax. a water gun. Hand on forwards. And relax. And hold on. And forward paddle. And relax. Woo. My throat is so dry from screaming so much. You guys managed to take in any of the scenery up there? What's that? And forward paddle. And relax. And forward paddle. And step. And all forwards. And hold on. What's that?
Mike and Liz guiding together.
Oh, nice. And all forward. And relax. So holding on is optional now. Well, until I say hold on. Holding on is never optional when I say it. But on the cruise down here, you guys can just kind of take it in, take in the scenery. We didn't pass the bonsai tree yet, did we? Okay, good. Anybody feeling it in their arms yet? Rubber arms?
Oh, feeling pretty fresh myself.
Yeah? And mind the bump. And all forwards.
Oh.
And relax.
Taking the bump. That's a new move on the fly.
You guys see the boat ahead of us has two guides on the oars? The boat ahead of us has two guides on the oars.